If you are wondering how to remove a SIM card from an iPhone, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Part 1. What happens when you remove the SIM card from iPhone? Removing the SIM card from an iPhone does not erase any stored data like photos, apps, videos, or contacts. However, it will disable cellular services, including calls, SIMs, mobile data, and some carrier features. Your iPhone may show no service or searching, but Wi-Fi-based functions like massage, FaceTime, and online apps will still work with an internet connection. Emergency calls may remain available in some regions if a compatible network is detected. Part 2. Things to know before removing SIM card from iPhone. Before removing a SIM card from your iPhone, back up important data. If you are switching devices, check whether your iPhone uses a physical SIM or eSIM. Handle the SIM tray carefully, and make sure you have an active SIM or eSIM plan to maintain cellular service after removal. Part 3. How to remove SIM card from iPhone. If you are ready to remove the SIM card, follow the steps below to safely take it out of your iPhone. Before you begin, prepare a SIM ejector tool. If you don't have one, you can also use a small paper clip as an alternative. Step 1. Power off the iPhone optional. While you can remove the SIM card while the iPhone is on, it is recommended to turn off the iPhone first to prevent network glitches or misread cards. 1. To turn off your iPhone, follow these steps. For iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 or later, press and hold both the volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. For iPhone 6, 7, 8, or SE2 end or third generation, press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. For iPhone SE1 Street Generation 5 or earlier, press and hold the top button until the power off slider appears. 2. Slide the slider, then wait 30 seconds for your device to power off. Step 2. Find the SIM card tray on your iPhone. The location of the SIM card tray depends on your iPhone model. Look for a small tray with a pinhole on the side or top of your device. Note: some iPhone models do not have a physical SIM tray. For example, iPhone 14 and newer models sold in the United States use eSIM technology instead of a traditional SIM card. These devices allow you to activate and manage cellular plans digitally without inserting a physical SIM card. Step 3. Insert the SIM ejector tool into the SIM tray hole. Once you locate the SIM card tray, insert the SIM ejector tool into the small hole next to the tray. Press gently until the SIM tray pops out. Avoid using too much force, as this may damage the SIM tray or your iPhone. If you don't have a SIM ejector tool, you can use a straightened paper clip instead. Insert one end of the paper clip into the hole and gently press until the tray opens. Step 4. Pull out the SIM tray. After the tray pops out, carefully pull it out of the iPhone. Hold the tray steadily to prevent the SIM card from falling out. Step 5. Remove or replace the SIM card. Carefully remove the SIM card, store or replace it as needed, then reinsert the SIM tray securely into the iPhone. After replacing a SIM card, turn on your iPhone and check the network status. It should connect automatically. If you see no service or searching, verify the SIM installation or contact your carrier.